My video's done, it's ready to share on TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Instagram. It looks awesome. Hey, that stupid thing is in the way. Safe zones for vertical videos. Hey, and welcome to Making Social Media. We've all been there with that struggle. You want to get all the relevant parts of your video to not be obscured, but thanks to like buttons, company logos, share buttons, extra text and even more buttons, it makes it really easy to mess up a video you've spent time on. I mean, all these platforms are intended for you to be holding a rainbow latte, sitting in a car and shouting at the world. But when you want to add a bit of professionalism with motion graphics, they really don't help. You need safe zones. After Effects and Premiere Pro both have safe zones built in. These are holdovers from the days of glass CRT televisions, where quite often the edges of the screen were never visible. Title and action safe guides are there to make sure you don't put text or have any important elements in a place that couldn't be seen. And today we need safe zones to ensure the same end result. You can set safe zones by going to Edit, Preferences, Grid and Guides, and changing the percentages, but these are generic to all your comps. And don't take into account how vertical streamers fill up different parts of the screen. So here's what I've done. I've used a Dropbox expression control to allow me to select the visibility of each platform's guides. And it's all saved as this preset. Once installed, check out my video on how to do that if you're not sure. When you're ready, create a vertical 1080 by 1920 comp. Search for the Safe Zones preset in Effects and Presets. Double click it to add it to the comp as its own layer. And then right click on the layer name, and in the menu choose Guide Layer. Guide layers appear when compositing, but do not render, which is perfect for our purposes. Then it's just a case of moving your content as needed to ensure it's readable and visible. Little bit of housekeeping, I made this preset in March 2023. Hello from the past. Oh look, my own like and subscribe request. Did you know if you hit the like button on any of my videos, you'll never see another request? Yeah, busted. It was worth a try. It's very likely all the streamers will keep updating their interfaces, so this might get out of date. If that happens, I can't promise to keep this updated, but you can. If you expand the layer on the timeline and expand contents, you'll see groups for each platform. Inside these groups are simple rectangles. Drag, resize, or delete as needed. When you're happy, make sure all the groups in all the comments sections are selected by holding Ctrl and clicking on them. Keep holding Ctrl and click on the two effects as well. Once all are selected, go to Animation, Save Animation Preset. And if you do have to do that, please post in the comments below and I'll update this version. Oh, and with everything on the internet, this is free but unsupported. Make sure you virus check the downloaded file, feel free to share it, but it would be nice if you'd credit me. And let me know in the comments if this has helped you.